Hey everyone, it's Hindash. This wasn't meant to be an upload. This was mainly going to be an Instagram video, but I thought we could use something a bit more soothing and a bit more educational. And what I'm going to be doing today is a cat liner on Lana, and I'm going to be taking a gel liner. And this liner that I'm using is the MAC Blacktrack gel eyeliner. Now this is brand new. I don't know what happened, but it looked a bit thin as I'm putting it on. And I'm going to be using my Kitco, my angled liner signature synthetics brush. These brushes are amazing. I'm going to be talking about them in an upcoming video. Now, like I said, this is a brand new liner. I don't know why it went on a bit thin, but I'm going to be building it up. And I really do like to start off with a thin layer. And with this liner, I kind of want it to wing out, but I'm keeping the center free. And as you can see, I dip back and forth, but that's fine. I think the more I started to work with the liner, it got a bit better. I think it was just brand new. And I had to really get through that top layer, which is a bit weird because I usually don't have that problem with this liner. And I always like to start at the outer corners and just winging it out. So winging it out, I'm kind of creating that cat eye look where everything just wings out very beautifully and working in layers. And I really love this brush because it has that angled tip, so you can really get into the inner corners. Now you'll get to see it as I work through the liner. And Lana already has individual lashes on that I've used in a previous look, so I just kept them on. And I'm going to be making sure I get in between those lashes. So kind of stamping that liner into the lash line. And I'm going to be stopping almost halfway. And I really love this eye shape on Lana. We've done so many different eyeliner looks on her. And I always make her look straight so I get to see the shape. As you can see, it has that nice curve, but the liner at the edge is very straight and very angled upwards. And now I'm going to be kind of tightlining the inner corners and creating that cat eye look. So getting in there in between the lashes, I'm going to be making her look up so it's a bit more comfortable. So if you're doing this, that definitely helps. And I'm taking that corner out slightly. Baby steps because you can go overboard with this, and I kind of want to see how it looks as she's looking straight. And building that point, I really love how this brush created that point, so I'm very happy with it. So as you can see, when she looks straight, it has that very uniform edge where it kind of aligns with the corner very beautifully. And then just go over any edges. I found that I wanted to thicken that edge just to add a tiny thin line underneath it to tie everything together. So my best advice is to really look straight ahead and work in thin layers. And that is the final look. I know it's a super short video and was meant for Instagram, but I thought might as well have something more soothing on YouTube as well. Why not? And I have some really cool uploads coming, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys very soon. Stay safe. Bye.